How to crochet a scrunchies. Hello, welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I will show you how to crochet a scrunchies for your hair. So I am using a 6mm crochet hook and a yarn bee brand, adorable fennel. This is super soft yarn, guys. And this is my leftover from my other projects, and I decided to make it as a scrunchies. So first you need to have your ponytail and tie the yarn in there. Grab your crochet hook, insert it inside the ponytail, grab the yarn under, and then chain 1. Now single crochet inside the ponytail for 35 stitches or single crochet all the way around. And if so happen that you think your project won't fit, you just have to slide all the single crochet just to have some room for your stitches until you have a 35 single crochet all the way around. And try to burn the end of the yarn to prevent from unraveling. So just what the video shown, just slide it until you reach a 35 single crochet. Then slip stitch on your very first single crochet or first stitch. Then chain of up to 2, this is not counted as your double crochet. Yarn over and put 3 double crochet on that same stitch. Now you have to put 3 double crochet in each of the following 35 stitches all the way around, and then you can slip stitch into the end of your or to the beginning double crochet of your work, and then try to hide the end of your yarn, and that's it. You're gonna have a brand new newly made scrunchies for your hair, or you can also sell it online. Thank you for watching. This is Ali Crochet. See you on my next vlog. Bye.